guys, today we'll talk about how can you clear cache on your Everand app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on downloads here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on clear cache. When you just click here on clear cache, then automatically here it's going to clear with you on your Everand app. So that's all you have to do. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you here to clear your cache. So that's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.